What's up, Budget Babes? It's Linda back again with another video. It's Budget Babe Tuesday and I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. So if you'd like to see what I got this week, keep on watching. I found some fabulous new toys, so this one was exciting. These are new Lego plates for kids. We have here a basketball court, a baseball field, and a football field. This is the brand Make It Blocks. Next, in the decor section, I found a gray letterboard. I think these are really fun and a really great value. Next, I'm going to show you some art supplies that I found. First, I found this sketchbook. This was a really great find, and it has 30 sheets. The brand is iScholar New York, and the paper seems like really good quality, so I was really excited to find this. Next, in art supplies, I got these Crafters square paint brushes. These are really soft bristles, and I thought that these could be used as makeup brushes. These could be liner brushes, and this looked like a really nice flat concealer brush, so I'm kind of excited to try this out. Next item I found was actually in the back to school supply section. I got this Jot marker storage container. I do think that this is a really great way to store, makeup brushes or makeup pencils. So I actually took 2 of these, but the other one I'm actually using for my freelance makeup kit, and I'm storing lip liners and eyeliners in it. Next fabulous find that I found at Dollar Tree is this Mighty Bulb Dusk to Dawn LED light bulbs. I found 3. People were taking these and snatching them up like crazy, so I grabbed 3. These are actually designed to be outdoor lights. I'm sure they can be used inside if you needed to, but it says they automatically turn on at night and off during the day, so I'm excited to give these a try. And the last item I found is this Dove milk chocolate pudding mix. I love Dove chocolate, so this was really exciting. It also says it's a pie filling, so Dollar Tree actually does sell pie crust, so you can definitely make yourself a nice little Dove dessert, Dollar Tree style. So this should be delicious. Okay guys, so that's all for today's short Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Budget Babe episode. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe episodes, and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Budget Babe Tuesday, and I hope to see you guys on Fabulous Friday. Bye, guys.